What's up traders, you're welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be a kinda different from other videos that we have been watching on YouTube. We have been watching videos on risk management. They are telling us on how we can manage our risk when it comes to forex trading, but in most cases they don't tell us why we should manage our risks in the way how they are teaching us. So today we are going to be talking about the importance of risk management. Why is risk management so important when it comes to forex trading? And the number one important thing is capital preserving or capital preservation. So when we are trading in the forex market, we always aim to stay in the market for a long period of time, or we trade for a long run. The more you stay in the market, the more the money you will make. Meaning in a long run. When it comes to risk management, it helps us to protect our capital. And this should be the number one role for a trader in the market, to protect your capital. Even if you are going through series of losses today, tomorrow, or this week, or this month, but you should protect your capital so that you can come back again, either tomorrow or the following week or the following month, so that you can trade. The market can be dynamic. Today it can be ranging, you find you are losing money. But when you have protected your capital, the market is going to go in a normal state and start trending, so that you can get better opportunities, so that you can trade and make money out of the market. So point number 2 is emotional control. In most cases, people don't know where emotions come from. In most cases, if you are a trader, you have realized that most of the emotions that you're experiencing when you are trading comes from losing trades. So when you have a proper risk management, this is where risk management is so important. When you have a fixed plan, or a plan that you are following to risk when it comes to trading, in most cases you will risk what you see it is okay for you to lose. And even if you lose that amount of money, you are not going to be that emotional, which is going to lead you to make unnecessary decisions when it comes to the market. So this is where risk management is so important when it comes to trading. Emotions is one of the dangerous enemy, like for us traders, that we have in the market or when it comes to trading. Because when emotion comes in, you start making unnecessary decisions, you end up making mistakes, and in most cases you end up even blowing accounts, losing a lot of money in the market, which is not good. Point number 3 is market uncertainties. You know, like the financial market is so dynamic, the way how it was made. Anything can happen in a certain country and affects a pair of the currency, then it ends up with a lot of spikes that you are not prepared for. So when you are having a proper risk management in place, you'll be protected from those uncertainties in the market. For example, like outbreak of wars can cause market uncertainties, you see. So you might be there, you don't expect anything, there is nothing going on, like no news on the calendar, but you see the market very crazy, asking yourself what is happening. So when you have a proper risk management in place, you are going to be protected from such situations. So that's how important risk management is when it comes to trading. So another point, or the importance of risk management when it comes to forex trading, is consistency in performance. In most cases, traders who have proper risk management, trust me, they are consistent in their trading. Let it be the way how they make money in the market, or the way how they lose money in the market. These traders are consistent. So when it comes to the importance of risk management, that's how risk management helps you as a trader to consistently keep performing in the right way. So another importance of risk management is it will help you to build discipline. When you have a proper risk management that you are following when it comes to your trading, in most cases, when you are following it in a right way, you end up developing discipline when it comes to your trading. And discipline is so important when it comes to trading. One of the most important things for you to be a successful trader is that you have to be disciplined. So that's how important risk management is when it comes to forex trading. The last point is that all of us will know that the environment of financial markets is so volatile. So currencies are so volatile when you are trading. So they always move up and down. Prices keeps fluctuating over and there. So when you have a proper risk management in place, it's going to help you to protect you from such environment situations that are always happening in the financial markets. And risk management, that's how important it can help you to be a successful trader when it comes to forex trading. So I think now, even if you go back and start watching on how you can manage your risk when it comes to forex trading, already now you know the importance why you are doing all that you are trying to manage your risk. So thank you guys for watching this video up to this time. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs like button. Until we meet again in the next video. Bye bye.